So the last thing I want to stress is that we all started somewhere. We had step zero. So people don't expect you to know everything. You absolutely should speak up, ask questions, learn. With that, I'm going to click over to the next slide here, which is about EntertainmentCareers.Net. So there are plenty of resources on the website for you to take advantage of. There is a section called Content Creator Jobs that you can also pull up. And you can also use a search bar and just put content and pull up all the different other jobs that there are available. There are podcast jobs as well that are available on the site. Lastly, because I think this might help you with the next question, Karen, is on the last slide, I have resources for you. So again, short list of some resources to think about if you're thinking of becoming a creator for yourself and working for brands, as a freelancer, news and education, some newsletters, and then content creation tools. You do not have to pay for Canva, but the reason why I do it is because you can save your brand colors, brand fonts, brand logos, all of that stuff. All of that is put together, kind of like your own folder. So if you're using it for different companies, you can also create brand folders for each company. And so you're not constantly like trying to find things. It's already there. It's in the folder.
I would definitely say learn CapCut, learn the basics of TikTok. It is so sexy right now. Everybody's looking for TikTok creators. And it's such a specific way of creating video that just saying that you've created video for YouTube does not translate necessarily to being able to create a good TikTok. So I would learn CapCut.
CapCut, which is owned by TikTok.